Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to lock windows in a car and unlock them too. This will be an easy driving tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, the topic of this video will be me specifically telling you and showing you how to lock windows in a car and unlock them too. And this will be an easy driving tutorial. So once again, it will be about the following topic. I'm going to say the topic one last time just so you know exactly what you're in for. This is a window lock right here. So I'll be showing you and telling you specifically the process for the following topic. I'll be showing you how to lock windows in a car and unlock them too. This will be an easy driving tutorial. So let's get into this easy driving tutorial and show you how to lock windows in a car and unlock them too. Let's get into this. Sorry about that long intro. Essentially, you have a car, I'm assuming, or you're going to deal with a car, and that car has windows. Now, if you want to lock and unlock windows, you need power windows. If you have manual windows that you roll up and down, you can't lock and unlock those using this method, okay? Now, whether your car has 2 windows or 4 windows, you'll probably have a window lock option, okay? So you can see right here, these are the 4 windows. You have the driver window, and then you have the other 3 windows, okay? So right now it's unlocked because this light is unilluminated, so I can roll them up and down freely, and anyone else in the car can roll them down and up freely. So anyone can use the windows, okay? Now, here's the thing. When you lock the window, okay, when you turn the window lock on, so this is how to lock the windows. You turn the window lock on by pressing this. You can see the light is illuminated. Now, the driver window will actually still work. So the driver window will still go up and down freely. However, the other 3 windows, nothing is happening. When I do this, nothing is happening. The other 3 windows will be locked in place. That means, let's unlock it. Push it again to unlock it. If I have the passenger window, the front passenger window rolled down halfway, and I lock it, okay? Nothing happens. I cannot operate that window, but I can still operate the driver window. So essentially, when it's locked, you cannot operate any windows other than the driver window. When it's unlocked, anyone can operate any of the windows of the car. Very simple, like the passengers can operate them. And that's basically it. That's how to lock windows in a car and unlock them too. An easy driving tutorial. Maybe you knew about this, maybe you didn't, but honestly, there's lots of people that don't know how this system works. So I figured I'd just make a video explaining it. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to sorry about the long intro once again. I do apologize. Yeah, filming a lot of videos today and kind of just don't want to get confused. But anyways, we're good to go. I've shown you how to do it exactly in this video driving instructional tutorial for beginners. If you like this video tutorial for drivers, this video driving tutorial, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.